If you're hot, then call my dad. He'll keep you cool.
At Cool Air Technologies, you deal direct with the owner and save, whether you need new equipment or service. We offer free, no-pressure, in-home estimates to replace your equipment. Call us now for our limited-time internet-only specials. We offer financing and accept all major credit cards. We service all makes and models and give you our upfront guarantee. That means that you agree on price before we do the work. So give us a call at 800-453-0444.
For quality service at fair prices, give us a call. Cool Air Technologies, 800-453-0444.